back to my YouTube channel. I am Khushi and today we are going to learn chemical reactions and equations part 2, and in this video we will be learning balancing a skeletal equation. So now we know what a skeletal equation is, so we will understand what a balanced equation is. A balanced equation is an equation in which the number of atoms of each element on the right hand side is equal to the number of atoms of each element on the left hand side. Means the number of atoms on both the sides have to be equal. They should be balanced. Now let us take an example which is provided in our NCERT to clarify how to balance an equation. So we'll perform it step by step. Step 1 is drawing boxes around each. So we'll write the element first. Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. Now we'll draw boxes. Now let us consider this to be the left hand side and this to be the right hand side. So it becomes LHS and it is RHS. Now the step 2 is to draw a table that how much atoms does each element has on both the sides. So you need to make 3 columns. The first is element. The second has number of atoms on left hand side, and the third has number of atoms on right hand side. The first element is iron, so we'll write Fe. The second element is hydrogen, and the third element is oxygen. Now we'll count the number of atoms on both the sides. If we see iron, it has no number written below it. Therefore, it has 1 atom. Hydrogen has 2 and oxygen has again 1. Here iron is having 3, oxygen is having 4 and hydrogen is having 2. Now we will start balancing them. We will see the element which has highest number of atoms. So if we consider left hand side and right hand side, hydrogen has highest number of atoms. So we will start balancing hydrogen first. Here hydrogen has 2 atoms. Here also it has 2 hydrogen atoms. Therefore it is already balanced. Now we will balance iron. Here iron has 1 atom and here iron has 3 atoms. So we will write 3 in front of iron. Note that you do not have to write it below the element. Like it is written, you do not have to write it below the element. You have to write it along the element. Now we will start balancing the next element, that is oxygen. Here oxygen has 1 atom and here it has 4 atoms. Therefore we need to get 4 atoms here as well. So what we will do is we will write 4 over here. Now oxygen got balanced, but what happened is hydrogen got unbalanced. Here hydrogen has 4 into 2, 8 elements, 8 atoms, and here it is having only 2. So what we can do is 2 multiply by what to get 8. If we multiply 2 by 4, we get 8. Therefore we will write 4 over here. Therefore now for the next step, we will clarify that if we have balanced the equation correctly or not. We will cross check it. Here iron has 3 atoms, here it has 3. Iron is balanced. Second we have hydrogen, here it has 8 atoms, here it has 8 atoms. It is balanced. Next we have oxygen, here oxygen has 4 atoms. This number is considered for both the elements. Here it has 4 atoms. Here again it has 4 atoms. Therefore our equation got balanced. The next and the most important step is you need to write the state of each of the element, each of the group. Now if this, what are the states for these? It is first solid. The symbol that we use for solid is S. For liquid, we use L. For gaseous, we use G. And for aqueous, we use AQ. Now we see this chemical equation. We will see that iron is solid, this is water, therefore it is liquid, this is again solid, and this is gaseous. So we'll write the formula now. We'll unbox it now. So it becomes 3Fe, which is solid, plus 4H2O, which is liquid, gives Fe3O4, which is again solid, plus 4H2, which is gaseous. So this is how we balance an equation. Thank you for watching my video. We'll be meeting you in the part 3 with the types of chemicals.